Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to configure FortiAnalyzer and FortiGate device so that the FortiGate gets added to the FortiAnalyzer and the logs from the FortiGate device will be forwarded onto the FortiAnalyzer for analysis. I have configured the entire network and all those devices are running OSPF routing protocol and they are able to exchange routes between them. So I'll be able to ping this branch office IP address from the FortiGate device and it will work fine. So here I will show how to configure FortiGate as well as FortiAnalyzer so that the logs get forwarded to the FortiAnalyzer. I have configured the IP address 192.168.240.5 for this device, FortiGate device, and .7 for this analyzer. So let me access that. I have logged into the FortiGate device. Now let me try pinging the FortiAnalyzer. I am able to ping the FortiAnalyzer IP address which is 192.168.240.7. Let me hop back to the FortiAnalyzer and go to Device Manager. Click on Add Device. Mention the IP address of the FortiGate device. Here you can find the serial number. Copy that. This will be the host name. Copy that also. And the version here, version is 5.6.7. So I'll select 5.6 and click Next. As you can see over here, the device has been successfully added. Click Finish. Now go to the FortiGate device. Logs and reports. Then go to log settings. Enable log report. Disable that option and send log to FortiAnalyzer. Just enable that and provide the IP address over here 192.168.240.7 and test the connectivity. Mostly it will show an SSL error because we don't have a secure connection. The FortiGate device doesn't have an HTTPS secure connectivity, whereas the FortiAnalyzer has a secure connectivity. So it will not receive a secure connection and it will reject that. So if I click on text connectivity, it won't get connected. It will show an SSL error. It's not happening because I have already configured our encryption algorithm. That is why it is working. So what you need to do if it's showing an SSL error is, this is what you need to configure on FortiGate as well as the FortiAnalyzer. On your FortiGate device, you need to enable logging onto FortiAnalyzer, which we have already done in the GUI. You just have to do it in command line if needed. like configure log FortiAnalyzer settings, set status enable, then set the IP address of the FortiGate analyzer and set reliable enable. This we have done it through the GUI. Now in FortiAnalyzer, what you need to do, that is the important stuff. Go there, go to the global configuration mode, set encryption algorithm to low and set SSL low encryption enable. After that, the protocol that should be used for SSL will be TLS version 1.0. Give a command end. This will reset the tunnel between the two devices and it will prompt whether to continue or not. Click yes and it will reset your connection. Once it gets reset, you can see like this, you can see 0 bytes out of whatever capacity you have allocated, that will be displayed over there. Before giving those commands, it will be SSL error. Once you have done that, this status bar will be available with the data. Now you can go to the FortiAnalyzer. Initially when I connect with an SSL error, this will be a red icon. Once you have issued that command and the connection, SSL connection is established between them, this lock symbol will arrive and this round icon will turn green from red. It shows that real-time log is being passed and this lock shows that it is through a secured SSL connection and the transmission of log from the FortiGate device to the FortiAnalyzer is secured. That's all for today. Thank you for viewing.